Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Quinoa Upma. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of quinoa, 2 cups of water, and your favorite vegetables like 1 onion, 1 carrot, and some green beans. Make sure to rinse the quinoa thoroughly under cold, running water for about 2 minutes. This step is crucial for removing any bitterness and ensuring a great flavor. Now, let's get cooking. Next, let's cook the quinoa. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the rinsed quinoa and toast it gently for about 3 to 5 minutes until it smells nutty. This toasting step enhances the flavor significantly. Then, pour in 2 cups of water, bring it to a boil, and reduce the heat to a simmer. Cover the pan and let it cook for 15 minutes until the water is absorbed. While the quinoa cooks, prepare your vegetables. In a separate pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil and sauté your chopped onion, carrot, and green beans until they are tender crisp. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder for a burst of flavor. Finally, gently fold the cooked quinoa into the sautéed vegetables, mixing everything together until well combined. This creates a vibrant and healthy dish. To finish, garnish your delicious quinoa upma with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime juice for a bright, zesty kick. Serve it warm as a healthy and satisfying breakfast or a light and nutritious meal any time of day. It's packed with flavor and goodness. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching and enjoy your homemade quinoa upma.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.